Yo, what's good, YouTube? Yo, man, I ain't been on this shit for so long, but I just want to say thank y'all for supporting me, yo. Thank y'all for helping me get 600 subscribers. Help me get to 1K, bro. Like, for real, I'm trying, but I've been very busy. I've been doing hella trips, so I've been like going everywhere. But I want to say thank y'all for supporting me this whole time. Yeah, just thank y'all, yo. Just stay with me. That's all I'm gonna say. Just stay with me. I got y'all, bro. And it's light. No, stay with me, yo. I want to say another thing is I love y'all, and guess what I'm doing? Barbecue. Oh shit. No, I'm barbecuing though. You already know how I'm rocking. Back with the fam and shit like that. But nah, I want to say thank y'all for the support. Keep staying with me and shit like that, yo. Just keep staying with me. I love y'all, yo. Always, always support me, like real shit. I don't even know what to say. Thank y'all for supporting me. I'll be back on my YouTube shit soon. Just right now, it's just not the time. But yeah, I want to say thank y'all. I love y'all so much. I'm always love y'all. But I'm out though. Peace. Peace. Yeah, yeah. I'm out though.